You guys, I'm having my very first sponsored giveaway coming up. I don't know when. It'll have to come in before I can tell you when. But it will be cosplay related. You will be able to wear this giveaway to, I don't know, Renaissance Festival or a Larp or whatever. I can't tell you right now when this giveaway will be, but I can tell you that if you subscribe and you stick around, watch my videos, keep an eye for a video that'll be something called giveaway something, okay? So if you're interested in a cosplay related giveaway for free, an awesome giveaway, might I add, subscribe to me so you can keep up with what I'm doing and you can check out my video when it comes out. Be prepared for a really amazing giveaway at some point in the future. Honestly, what is this? I'm trying to find a good space to do these kind of videos in the middle of the night. I don't have good lighting anywhere in this house, I'm sorry. Today, I am doing a new unboxing video, just for you guys. Not really just for you guys. I bought this for me because I love this, but I'm doing the video for you guys. And probably also the owner of the shop that I bought from. Somewhere, I will put what this is gonna look like. It is a witch hat. Supposedly, it is made out of like a wool felt, and the person who made this, well, the store is called GeekWoolStore. Obviously, link will be in the description. So this package came from the Ukraine. I got it today, a little bit earlier today. It looks like they put this in the middle of an orc circle and orcs just started beating the shit out of it. Okay, this is the sketchiest package I've ever gotten, ever. Luckily, this supposedly isn't a fragile item. If this was, I'd be pissed. But it does look like it was kind of taped well. Maybe. So I'm guessing that this isn't at all the store's fault. I'm guessing it's just, you know, people who don't give a shit about anything, the mailers, just throwing packages. So yeah, this is depressing. Don't look at my address info. Look how dented in that is. That's terrible. Anyway, let's freaking open this. I don't think I'll need scissors or anything because it's kind of already open. Oh God. This is hard to open just because it's so mangled. This thing fills up the whole box. I'm gonna have to tear this box apart just to get it out. Well, that was hard. Oh my God. Oh, it's bigger than I was expecting, which is not a problem. Here it is. Let's try to unfold it carefully. This is kind of complicated. Let's pinch it in the back. This is a bit of a challenge. Let's try to put it on my head first and see if we can, if it'll be better this way. This is so cool. Okay, dun dun dun. Oh wait, let me take my bun out. Oh God, I haven't brushed my hair in a millennia. Dun dun dun. Let's pinch that in. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I can't at all tell what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make it match the picture. Hold on, is that right? Is that something like that? I can't see right now. Hello? I can't see what I'm doing. So this back part needs to be pinched downwards. The front part needs to be stretched out more. I'm gonna figure this out. It's complicated, but it's awesome. Forgot to mention, this is $100, okay? Which is a lot cheaper than the $300, $400 that are on the market, okay? I have a lot of money to spend. I have a lot of birthday money. Don't judge me. And it's freaking amazing. I've already got my hair stuck in it, unless that's her hair. Is that her hair or my hair? It doesn't matter. It's kind of curving. Just a little bit. It's not a problem. I'm not trying to complain here. I love this. GeekWoolStore, y'all. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Dude, why can't I wear this everywhere? This is really snug on my head, which isn't a problem now. But I have dreadlocks coming in. If it's too tight for my dreadlocks, oh well, I just won't wear dreadlocks with this. My dreadlocks is really just for my costume anyway. It's not for everyday stuff. Oh my God, I look sexy. Can you see that? I can't see you at all. This is amazing. Okay, I want this to go really down. 10 out of 10, would recommend on Etsy. Okay, so this is a lot bigger, like wider than I was expecting it to be, but I love it wide. It looks more, I don't know, witchy, I guess. Okay, I will say though, this little part, the swirly bit, it keeps kind of like twisting to the side instead of going straight upward. Oh well. I definitely want to customize this, make this my own thing. I want to have like, I don't know, some sort of green wrap around it, maybe some little mushrooms poking out on the side. I'll take pictures and I'm sure at some point I'll make a video wearing the hat when it's finished, like when it's my own thing when I've got the green stuff and all the mushrooms and stuff. But anyway, yeah, now I'm ready to go to Hogwarts, Orlando. God, this makes me want to be sassy. This just looks like such a sassy witch hat. Please go check this girl out, or boy, I don't know. I think it's a girl because there's a girl in most of her pictures. Go check her out, GeekWoolStore on Etsy. Buy this hat, but she's got others like it if you don't like brown. But warning, your package might come in like this one, like it's been through a war zone, like it's been through hell and back. And also, it did take quite a while because she does live in Ukraine, I guess. But yeah, I have more videos just like this one coming out soon. Not necessarily witch hat, but like other cosplay, magical fantasy stuff coming out, okay? So even if you don't like my video game videos, stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to get more videos just like this one. Reviews. Should I review this a little bit more? I don't know what else to say about it. It's just amazing. It's a hat that's thick. It's not gonna tear. This back part could be a little bit better. I think the $300, $400 ones would be just a little bit better, but 100 versus 300 or 100 versus $400, I'll take that any day. And now I'm a bona fide witch. Now I can go to Hogwarts and look awesome, look the part. Am I forgetting anything? It's comfortable. It might be slightly itchy where it touches my skin. Maybe, I mean, I don't really notice it right now. Maybe after hours of wearing it, it might get a little bit itchy, and it is pretty snug. Maybe that's a thing to mention. I personally don't really care. It looks amazing, and it's not that uncomfortable. It's, I mean, I don't really notice it. I'm just trying to add content to this review because it's more, this review so far has been more just like, oh my god, it's amazing, instead of actually critiquing it. There's not much to critique. Just this back part, I'd say. How it's shaped. It's a little bit off. Anyway, thank you guys so freaking much for watching. And stay witchy, my friends.